What's going on, guys? Will's Bonsai here, and today I'm gonna show you guys an update of my new bonsai nursery. Is sick. Today I'm gonna be upgrading down there and show you guys some things that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep you guys posted. Got some more cinder blocks, and I'm gonna make a whole nother shelf down there, room for my succulents when it's time for them to come back out. Got some more of those boards right there. Let's take a trip. So I have 3 mini cinder blocks, like 8" by 8" cinder block, like halves, I guess. And then I have one of these caps, and let me come show you guys. So I'm in the process of making this look all nice. So look at that. I put some caps on here, and I'm not really sure how to feel about this, but we have populated this and it looks great. This came out actually incredible. So for now, I got some trees down here that I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do. I'm about to do a bunch of repots, like with that tree right here. Oh, wow, that looks sick. I'm so happy with the outcome of this. Look at that tree. I did this for a video like 2 weeks ago. I have my little setup. Of course, I'm constantly rearranging stuff, but yeah, let's go ahead and get some of this. I'm gonna show you guys me setting this up. Look at that. I don't know how to feel about that. I mean, I wish there was a 1 by 1, like just take this in half. I wish you can make it the same as that. I might have to somehow split a block like this. We're gonna figure out these ends, I promise y'all that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Just quick little update video. Thank you, Jesus, for every day, and I will catch you guys in the next one.